Hi! In front of me is Infinix Note 12 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can access all your downloads on this device. First of all, you need to locate Files app. When you find it, click on it. Now, in order to use it, select Continue and tap on Browse in the middle at the bottom after choosing Got It in Tips pop-up. Lastly, tap on Downloads. As you can see, all my downloaded files are available over here. If you wish to access one, just click on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!